So now we are going to show you what we do once we're finished filling our walls with concrete. On our cleanup day, which we usually do it the next day, we'll come around, we'll use that wall scraper to knock any glue that's protruding from the wall to make it nice and smooth. And then we will also take these shims. You can wiggle them out and you can reuse them on other jobs. It's really nice if you're a contractor. So wiggle them, reuse as much as you can. Sometimes they're in a little deeper and they're harder to wiggle out, so you can kind of go around and you can make a game out of it and go, you know, whatever your preference is. And the purpose of this is we're kind of preparing the wall for the next trade to come in so that they can apply their finishes to the wall, whether that be, you know, the stucco, drywall, tile, whatever it may be. So if you have any questions or need any more information, visit theperfectblock.com or you can call us 888-623-4223.